how to post a story on UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Stories are a fun way to share quick updates, behind the scene moments, thoughts, or short videos with your followers on UpScrolled. To post a story, first of all, open your UpScrolled application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're in the home page logged in, go to the top left corner and tap the plus button right above My Stories. Now, you can go ahead and record your new story with your device's camera. Tap on the record button and record your story right away. To choose an existing story from your gallery, tap on Choose Existing and select one. After selecting a story, tap on Next at the bottom right. You can post photos or videos in your story. Right after you do that, wait for a few seconds. And now, you can update your story from this edit page. You can go ahead and split, trim, or rotate your story. Tap the tick mark at the bottom right. And now you can add text, effect, music, speed, filters, etc. in the video or the photo. After using them, click Next at the bottom right, and then you will be able to upload your story. Now, once you do that, on the next page, you can tag people, add location, just in case you can mark sensitive or mark as AI generated if the content is AI generated and so on. Finally, after you are done with everything, tap on Add at the top right corner to add your story right away. So that is how you post a story in UpScrolled application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.